Hackathon will give you the chance to create a project. You'll learn a lot, you'll work with other people, and it'll give you a taste of what real-life software engineering feels like. I've said this many times in other videos. The best way to learn programming is by doing, and ideally you work on something you're passionate about. There are a couple things I think are important here. First, you're going to want to pick a full stack project, which means there's a front end, a back end, some API message passing layer, and then a database to actually store the information. The message passing API layer, probably start off with the REST protocol, but if you're feeling extra bold, give GraphQL a try. And for the database, I'd recommend using MongoDB, which is very JavaScripty and JSON-like. For the backend server and database, feel free to host everything locally. But for bonus points, see if you can set up your infrastructure in AWS, Azure, or some other cloud provider, because that's how they do it in industry. It's a stateful counter, which means the front end will have a number, a plus sign, and a minus sign to increment and decrement the counter, and maybe a reset button to set it back to 0.